Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we can get all the products of a customer in Magento 2. So let's start it. All like yeah, we are going to check any orders we have. So let's check. We are going to pull all the orders of a customer in Magento 2 via REST API. So let's begin this tutorial. So here we have sales orders. How many orders we have? We have no orders for any customer. Okay, so let's go and create one order and check shopping. Let's continue with here shopping. I think what's the product name? I forget the product name. Let's go and check catalog products. We have testing product. Let's check search testing. So it says there is an error. So let's go to the Magento to where port base or view table is not doesn't show, so we need to run the reindex. Let's run the reindex. This we with this tutorial we have already uploaded, so right now what I'm going to check, I'm just going testing dot html. This is the product. Okay, so this I'm going to add in the cart. So go and just proceed to checkout. Filling all the addresses. Let's select the India. And we have Bangalore city, street address, street address, free shipping. Next, cash on delivery, place order. The order is placed. So I'm going to fetch this one order. Okay. So let's start with it. Let's go to my folder structure. App, code, orders, plus, ruler, get my orders. There is one API. Get my orders. Let's pull get right all orders. So it will run without this because it's get API. So it will run. Okay, so move the customer helper. Okay, remove this also. Here we are getting it from the customer session login. When to login, then we are getting the get orders. There is one passing the customer orders. It's getting the order collection filtered by the customer ID and created at by descending order. Okay, so it will return all the orders, the order collection factory. Okay, after that we have check the count total. If total orders, then we are get the shipping address and billing address and all, because we are all mapping all the addresses. Shipping address get the first name, last name, city and region all. Billing address we are mapping. Okay, payment methods what they are using, shipping methods what they are using, all the items we are merging. unit price, products details, products images if they have, and product list, all the list. And after that we have order ID, status, order, grand total, shipping address, billing address, shipping amount, payment method, tax, products, order currency. Okay, so this all for is coupon used or not, coupon code, if it is used then what is the coupon code and all, order data you are about, and this all we are returning in the, if the is not login, then we are throwing the message please log in to see the orders. Okay, so this is how we have get adding all the parameters in the API like billing address, shipping methods, and coupon used, item details, everything is full-fledged in the order detail we have. So let's begin how it's showing all the data and all. So let's start with it. So already I have updated the code, and let's run the commands and see all the everything. Okay, so let's run the commands. Wait. We can add 2 3 more products also, so we can check that it is the combination or not. So this is done. So let's deploy. Okay, so we have already run all the commands. Let's add some more so that we can get all the data necessary. Let catalog, add product, test one, test two, test two, and the price is like 21. Stock, select, we have done content. We will add the image so that we can check whether the images are coming or not. So we want to save this product. What is the product name? That is test product. Let's go and check test.html. So this is the product. But why this is okay? Add to cart. Okay, I'm adding to the cart. I will just quickly place the order. Added. Let's go to the shopping cart. Proceed to checkout. The address already selected. I will flat rate. I'm going to use it. Previously I used free shipping. So here we are going to check money order. Previously it's cash on delivery. So this is order is done. Okay, 2 orders already done. Let's go to the API section and hit the API. Get my orders. My orders. Okay, I'm going to hit this API. It will return the error. There has been error. request for log, go to this log. I think report is generated. Get my orders is there the thing. Get my orders, okay. Let's go to check the reports. Where reports, we have this report. Undefined property dollar currency. So currency is undefined. Line number 139. So let's check what is line number 139. Get my orders, line number 139. Control G 139. Currency symbol. Okay, okay. This currency, order currency. Order currency symbol. Order currency. This is order currency symbols. Order currency symbol. This is currency. Okay, so all this I'm going to, because this currency is used. So I'm gonna remove all this and taking only one. So this currency, I know the currencies. You will get this currency from the keys I'm putting here right now, the dollar, in order to run this API. Okay, let's hit the API. Okay, so this is the customer, that is my name over here. Order ID 2, order ID this, pending, status is pending, grand total is this, shipping address, flat rate. Recently we have done with the flat rate and check more. So payment method, payment code, shipping amount is 15. We already know that shipping amount right now is, we already pays 15, and the tax and the product is this. And here there is the image. So we can put the DP image. If we go and copy this, just copying, check whether the image is correct or not. Entering this image, see the image is there. Okay, so we have returning the product in product detail page. We can use this image and the products all. Currency, coupon use, and reward point is blank. So another order is 001, that is pending also, and this is billing address, shipping address, free shipping, cash on delivery, you know that, and the testing product name and all, price, the image and the item count. Okay, so this is how we can achieve the things in get all the orders in Magento 2. Okay, so I hope you will like this video, and if you have any issues, any queries, so just let me know. So this is how we can get the orders of a customer in Magento 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.